What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, guys, unfortunately I still don't have my Casper mug, but we all know that everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, now this is just a quick this is going to be a quick update for today, because as you guys can see, I'm about to get ready to go to work right quick. But anyways, this morning, as I was telling you guys a couple of hours ago, actually, I was telling you guys that the market was taking up already. So let's go right quick and check it again, do a quick TA. Okay, that's what I'm saying. This is going to be a quick and short video. Okay, let's check on the coins that we are trading on this my millionaire journey, on this bull run. Okay, this 2024-2025 bull run, which are, first of all, King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Okay, so let's run right quick. Let's check the crypto bubbles in a minute. Crypto bubbles, I'm gonna look right there. Okay, see, just like I told you guys today, very earlier today, I told you guys the market was recovering. See that the market looks pretty green. Even when you go on the daily, everything looks green. It looks like the dump is over with. But let's go and check on the coins that we are trading. Okay, first of all, King Casper. Let's look at King Casper. You see that on the last hour, Casper is up 1%. For today, Casper is up 12%. On the week, yeah, it still look a little red, which is 14.8% down. But on the monthly, we are up 0.8%, and on the year, we are up 289%. Now, looking at Quant, QNT, Quant, we do have, look at that. For the past hour, Quant is up 1.5%. And for the day, guys, for the day, Quant is up 8.9%. On the week, we are still down 5.6%. On the month, still down 10.8%. Look at the yearly, guys. The yearly, yesterday we was negative. That we was down 41%, and you see the number has started to climb. We are down right now 36.5%. Now we look at Jasmine, JAS. So Jasmine, look at that. For the past hour, we are up 0.7%. On the daily, we are up 13.5%. Now on the week, we're still down 17.2%. On the month, still down 0.4%. But on the yearly, we are up 499%. So, like I told you guys, it's over with. It's time for you to start packing your bags. And I know I repeated myself so many times that I don't know. If you did take that move, guys, congratulations, because I know for sure you are looking happy right now. We're about to look at my positions right quick. Okay, we're about to look at them, and you will see how my positions have started recovering. And I like what I am seeing. Okay, I like what I am seeing. But before we look at that, let's go look at the trading view right quick. Trading view, because I told you this is going to be a very, very quick update. Okay, so let's look at trading view. I go here. Okay, let's go here. I'll search for trading view. There you go. Let's look for trading view. Okay, I'm gonna go on my charts, see what we got there. Because like I told you guys, everybody who remembers, look at that, exactly as predicted. This early morning, I was telling you guys that this chart looks very, very bullish. And look at that, we went exactly like I told you guys. The resistance, this is on the 4 hourly. As you can see, we formed a nice W pattern. W patterns are usually considered very, very bullish. They're usually considered very bullish patterns. So as you can see right now, the price is breaking above. We're going to go above the moving average to go retest this resistance right here at 18.2 to 18.5, depending on how you have your lines drawn. Okay, once you do that, we also have this resistance up here at 18.8, or the previous all-time high, which was like 19.5, or the most recent all-time high, which is 21.2 cents. Once Casper gets there, guys, it's blue skies. Like I said, there is a lot coming out for Casper that you have to really look out for, because this thing is about to take off. Now, looking at it on the 1 hour, you will see exactly like I told you guys it was going to happen. Go watch my previous video. See that? We broke above that resistance, and we are now breaking above the moving average. This is a sign. Now we're waiting for the price to go up, come back, retest that moving average, and take off from there. That's exactly what we're about to do. So now let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant QNT. We go here, QNT. I like the Binance. You guys already know that the Binance. This is just amazing, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is just amazing. Earlier today I was telling you guys, look what the prices was about to do. This downward resistance, we're about to go above it, and we're about to take on the first Fibonacci retracement point. Did you see that? That's exactly what's happening. Look at the moving 200 moving average. You see, this is about to start curving. It's making a U. So this curve, we are looking at it to be like the support for the price. Okay, for the support for the price. Like I told you guys today, if you would have taken this trade yesterday, I called this. I told you this was forming a bull flag and it was going up. Today, when I talked to you guys, the price was somehow taking off around here. I can't remember. And I told you guys, the moving average is what we are heading for. And then there's this double resistance, which as you can see, Quant is going to break above, and it's exactly what is happening right now. Okay, let me take you on the 4 hourly. If you look at it on the 4 hour, oh, come on, excuse me. 4 hour, there you go. Look at it on the 4 hour. It hasn't broke out completely yet, but look at that. First try, rejected. Second try is what we are doing right now. Look at the moving ribbons, guys. Look at the moving ribbon. You see that is curving upwards. Now we are faced to this in between those two resistances. You guys remember I had this line of resistance since February, March. As you can see, it is a very strong resistance, but I think this time we are going to break above it very easily, because as you can see, look at the moving average of 200. This thing is curving, so we are looking at this to come up. Okay, use the ribbon, because by the time, probably by tomorrow morning, the ribbon should be somewhere around here. Use it as support and keep climbing. Like I said, if you would have taken that trade this morning, because I told you we were somewhere around here, I told you guys like 60 cents, $60 on Quant is a very, very good support. I told you guys that. So as you can see, we are now breaking above, and I am so excited, because I told you guys this is what was going to happen, and I gave you guys all the supports and resistances. Like if I go on the weekly, okay, look at that. I'm going on the weekly, and then you can zoom out. I gave you guys this support and resistances. Okay, so those of you who follow my channel, guys, I told you the first one was going to be that 60. Okay, that's $60 for Quant. And as you can see right now, from the bottom here to here is freelancing. It's free. And the good thing about this, what I mean by free, means like price action between here is very easy to move. As you can see, we have, since this is the all-time high, this line is the triangle that Quant has been forming, but the bottom, okay, excuse me, let me take that out, but the bottom and the top, okay, look at that. Quant has been forming that. So as you can see, we are now going above, trying to break above the top of the triangle. If we do, we will face that first line of resistance for the Fibonacci on the weekly, which is 125. I think I have mentioned this time after time. Okay, after that, the second one is going to be right there, 187. After that, we need to get into the golden pocket, which is that around that $280, $285. But guys, this is the right time for this. The reason I'm saying it is because the bull run has just kicked into the second gear. Okay, the whole thing is about to take off running. So guys, you do not want to be left behind right now. I told you guys, take your position, and if you did, congratulations. Now if you are taking it right now, you are going to have to scale up. You know what I mean? Excuse me. If you did earlier, good. If you did not, you are going to have to scale up. Scaling up means, like, because if you put a position in right now, the possibility of price swinging downwards and then continue up is there. So you need to make sure that you open up your trade, not financial advice, and then scale it up. That way your liquidation point is way below, and you will not get affected if price swings. You understand? Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Let's go look at Jasmine. Back to trading view, and I liked Jasmine, JASMY on Binance. Now, perfectly aligning with everything we've been doing. Like I told you guys, okay, if you remember this morning, excuse me, take this off. If you remember this morning, I told you guys, say, like, this right here is still very valid. This bull flag, it is still very valid as long as the price action does not go below this resistance, the breakout. Okay, but as you can see, we went below it and the weekly did not close under it. It's still above. Now look at it on the 1 hour right quick. 1 hour. You remember today I told you this was gonna go retest that 2.3 resistance / support. Now we have double resistances right there, the 2.3 plus the moving average. First candle tried to break above it, came all the way down. Second candle hasn't closed yet. By the time it closes, if it closes above this, yeah, we are in. We need to be above that. So the way I'm looking at it, I think it's going to go up. It's going to go above the moving average, form support from that, and take off from it. Okay, it is that simple, because everybody is beginning to realize, like, okay, the dump was just manipulation. Guys, if you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's go 4 hours right here. See, right now it's the same thing. The ribbon is curving. Like I said, it's not rocket science. All you have to do is a few indicators. You don't need the whole Bible, or I mean, like the whole encyclopedia of things to figure this out. Look at it. It's forming a nice cup and handle, or some people can call it a W. But anyways, look at it. The moving average is curving. We are testing right now the resistance at 2.3 cents. That's what we are testing. Once we get above that, the next resistance, let me go on the daily to show you that a little bit clearer. There you go. The next resistance, like you remember this line? This served as support / resistance since the beginning of the year. So once we get above this 2.3, the goal is going to be trying to take above that 3.3 or 3.4 right here. Depends on when we break out. If it is a very rapid breakout, we are going to see this to be formed either a big resistance, or maybe break above it and form a support. Once we do, we'll be inside this triangle one more time. Okay, we'll be inside that triangle one more time, and the what you call it, the target of that triangle, like I said, is going to be around 5.5, getting us closer to the target of the bull flag, the weekly bull flag, which is around 10 cents, 9 to 10 cents, thereabout. So guys, this thing is happening. Everybody else, like I said this morning, you have to take in that risk. If you did take that risk this morning, you would have been significantly up right now. But like I said, this triangle, when it breaks out, is going to be right there, right up there, around 4.5, 5.5, thereabout. But anyway, if you would have taken that risk this morning, guys, you would have been up significantly right now, because when it was showing the signs right here, I told you guys we're going to come here, and this is going to, the moving ribbon is going to serve as support. As you can see, we went all the way up there right now. So yeah, it has started. Just like I said, it was easier Some people are going to tell you they like to wait for, excuse me. Some traders are going to say they want to wait for a confirmation. But for me, I like to get into my trades way before that. I take the risk, because the higher the risk that you take, the higher your profits are going to be. You understand? So now, looking at it, like I said, it's an opportunity. You can 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. You understand? And that is what I'm doing. So you can use the links below, which are the Bydfi or the Phemex, okay? And you, only, guys, only if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, please do not leverage trade. Just buy the coins on spot and hold them. You're still going to make money. Not as much as you would have made leverage trading, but yet you're still going to make money. Now, if you are confident enough and you know what you're doing, sign up, okay? Grab the bonuses. They're giving free money. Bydfi is giving probably $3,000 right now for new bonuses after you deposit whatever they're asking for. The same thing with Phemex. Once you sign up, you can copy my trade, or you can copy somebody else, or you can do you. It really don't matter. What is important is that you are making money. That is why we are here in this my millionaire journey. But anyways, I mixed up my trades, okay? I usually had long-term season trades on Bydfi, but I figured out that Phemex, on some projects, some coins, Phemex pays you more money. So that's why I started mixing. Them. But anyways, let's go look at my positions on both Bydfi and the Phemex right quick. Please follow along. You can compare my trade with yours and see how good we are doing, how bad, or however. I'm telling you that mine are doing perfect, man. They are doing very perfect. So let's go look at them right quick. Bydfi right there. Let it load up right quick. And here we go. As you remember, like a couple of hours ago, my overall was like, what, $12,000, right? Look at that. It has started to climb. Like I told you guys, everything, you got to take that risk. So I've started to climb. I am up right now 14,600. 14,600. Looking at my contracts that I have here, wow, on the finance is at 76 cents. Anyway, now look at this. As you can see, my Casper trade, I am up 14%. You remember this morning I was negative 12, -1, I was below. But right now I am up 14%, which is $768. My quant, I was negative this morning. Now it is catching up. I am up almost 2.5%, which is $206. Again, you got to look at those kind of things. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because you remember my quant trade, I told you guys, I scaled it up. Okay, let me show you first. I scaled it up. You remember it was like $4,000, but I did scale up at 7,400. That's how much money I have put in there right now. And what that did, first of all, it dropped my liquidation down. My liquidation point is now at $34. Okay, now, if you look at it, I'm always, like I said, I'm always very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. I will not recommend you to do it if you don't know what you're doing, but all my trades, I've traded at 50x. So what that did right now, once we get, I believe quant will get to $5,000 this run, but that's why you have it here. I have 5,000 off my take profit already. But if we get to a point of the bull run that the market is beginning to show signs of weakness at the top of the bull run or close to it, then I will close it whatever price it is. But I surely believe, quant will go to $5,000 this run. But anyways, now what this did is like, once quant get to, let's say the next is a resistance at 106. If you guys remember a couple of videos before at 106, my previous position would have made me $6,000. But now, since I scaled it up, this position is going to make me $10,000. You see that? That is the beauty of you scaling up your trades when the market is dumping, because now you're going to make almost 3 to 4 times the amount of money you would have made before. Now, when we get to there's another resistance. Let me try to remember. At 150, 160, this position will make me $24,000. You see what I'm going with it? Right there. $24,000. So yeah, I scaled up, took the risk, and now I am happy with what I'm looking at. Understand? So now let's go look at my short-term trades right quick, because they are also making getting ready to make big waves. So let's go to my Phemex. Phemex right here. I gotta sign in. See that? Yesterday or this morning I was the what, $9,000, $10,000. Look at that. I am up now $14,000, and this is what I did, because like I told you guys, I took my my long-term trade from Bydfi. I sent it to Phemex, because Phemex is paying me more money on either Casper or Jasmine than Bydfi. So I swapped them. As you can see now, look, I swapped them and I scaled them up. Look at this. Jasmine, my previous position was like $4,000. Now my new position is $8,500. Again, I'm trading at 50x. Same thing with Casper. My previous position for Casper was like what, $1,000, $2,000. Now it is $4,300 right here, and I'm trading at 50x. Okay, so now what that makes is, like, if you look at it, looking at Casper, okay, by the time Casper hits that, like right now, I'm telling you guys, Casper, by the time it goes back to the all-time high, let's say 0.21, this position will already make me $5,000. See that? $5,000, but I'm not counting on that. I'm trying to make this Casper position, I'm trying to make it a long-term trade, seasonal, which means I will not look to take profit to this until Casper start hitting let's say $3, $4. So let's see, by the time Casper hits $3, this position would have made me $312,000 right there. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Or let's say it goes, like I always say, Casper will go to $10. By the time Casper goes to $10, this position will make me $1 million right now, right there. That's what I'm telling you guys. I am taking that risk, and I have this position open. Let me confirm that to have my take profit saved up. Okay, now you go to Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, this run, I'm going to start looking at taking my profits as from 60 cents. 60 cents. That's why I'm going to start looking to take profit, or even a little earlier than that, because we have an ultimate resistance at 20 cents. By the time Jasmine gets to 20 cents, it says 0.2, this position will make me $146,000. That's a nice chunk of change right there. I will decide if I want to take profits or not. Now let's say 60 cents. Okay, by the time we go to 60 cents, this position will make me $477,000. See that? That is the beauty. Okay, but I'm not saying that I'm gonna take profit right here. What I would do first is look at the market, see what's going on around. If we are close to the top of the market, because I have other indicators looking at, I like looking with like using to look at Bitcoin, and those indicators, trust me, so far so good, they have served me well for the past bull run. So those are the ones that I'm going to look at to see what Bitcoin is doing. Although right now it's going to be a little bit difficult because the ETF is manipulating the price up and down. But anyways, I've seen some charts that are pointing at Jasmine going to $1. So if Jasmine goes to $1, this position will make me $807,000 right there. See that? So yeah, I am getting ready for it. I'm just so happy right now. When everybody else was crying, let me see. I am so happy right now. When everybody else was crying about price action, I kept telling you guys, get in. Get in, because when you take that risk, the rewards are higher. And as you can see, my rewards, this is just the beginning, guys. Wait until the prices go back to where they was a week or two ago. You will look at my positions in a different way. Anyways, guys, this was just a quick update because I noticed this morning I didn't do a lot of TA, and I didn't want to leave you guys hanging until tomorrow. I just wanted to throw this video out there. So guys, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, trying to grow this family. Share, because that's how the YouTube YouTube does things. The more you share, the more they start throwing it into people that are looking for the same type of content. Okay, and please like, turn on your notification bells on, so you will know as soon as I drop a video. Guys, please be safe out there. Okay, be safe. I don't have a Telegram group or nothing. I don't do none of that. All these signals I give them for free. Anybody telling you that it's me, send them money or do with that, nah, guys, that's not me. I don't ask you for any money. All I ask you to do is to like, subscribe, and share, you know, and comment. I like to read your comments too. Okay, so please be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.